Hi, Tamara and Leah. This is Saori. I'm a freelance chef. I've got a big magic box from both of you.
Hi, Saori. This is Leah from Bottarga Boreale. We're a seafood company based in Tromsø.
I'm Tamara, one of the co-founders of Lofoten Seaweed. So my mum is Japanese and I've grown up eating seaweed all my life. We have seaweed types such as the winged kelp, which is very much like the Japanese wakame, or weed, which is very much like the Japanese kombu. So there is also one type of seaweed which is we call truffle seaweed.
Bottarga, the classical one, which is the first product we came out with. My curiosity is a bit also what Tamara said, when compared to karasumi or like mullet bottarga. What was your impression?
My impression was that it's very clean flavor. So I was quite surprised, and also I tasted it with my parents, and they were also liked it so much. What I'm trying to do today with it is actually tempura.
Oh,
yes.
I never thought of that. That's amazing. Would you be able to take a picture of the... I'm jealous.
Are we okay so far? While I'm waiting, I'm gonna shave a little bit of this. Ta-da!
Yes.
Wow,
Here's the next dish. This time I cooked the whole thing like this. I think the flavor just stayed there together with this lightly saltiness.
The other half of the company, Angelita, who I told you about earlier, so she was just trying to have a peek at what you were doing, Saori.
Yes.
I'm so curious.
Thank you for wonderful products. So this is a third dish.
This is completely out of anything I could have think of. So it's amazing to see.